Here's how to make your videos more cinematic, part 3. Make sure to add some sound effects to your videos. Now you don't have to have a sound effect for every single thing in your video, but adding a couple of sound effects here and there can really take your video to the next level and make it feel more cinematic. You can search for sound effects on the Filmstock website in the audio section. And there are also many sound effects built into the Filmora video editor, so it's easy to find the sound you need. Keep the sound effect nice and subtle, so turn the volume down and fade it in and out. This will give you a much better result.